Building in Africa is not easy. When you see somebody doing it, it really does call for everything that's within you to make sure that the project succeeds. So today I'm going to share with you what I've done and what I'm doing to ensure that the quality of the work on site is absolutely correct. So stick around and I will share with you what I'm doing on site. I hope you will learn one or two things from this video. After this. Jamie? Fantastic, and I thought, why not jump onto this idea? Now listen to this and let's just start building.
You could say that everyone can do it and not just
about 100 mil. Now, if you look at that, that's more or less like a slab in itself.
I was chilling with the bros who was up for a night out. Yeah. So you in the cut with that wifey demeanor. Hey. Looking so bored out your mind though. You kinda give me the sign, so conversations became related.
Right, welcome back if we haven't met. My name is Kelvin Piri and I am here on site in Vorna Valley where I am doing a project, and I've showed you bits and pieces what we are doing here. But hey, I will be doing some work myself, and if this is the first time that you've come across this channel, please remember to hit that like button and subscribe. And hey, when we talk about subscribing, please, that will help us and will help us grow this channel so we can share the word, we could share what we are learning here. The idea is to share and take you through basically what I'm doing here. Possibly the next video, what I'm going to do is I'll take you through maybe a 2-bedroom apartment. What we have is a 2-bedroom apartment there, and so that you appreciate what we are doing. And later on, for those who have subscribed or those who are members on this channel, I'll be sharing the costs. How much is it costing us? So you've seen we are now putting the roofs. We are almost there. And I think in terms of the timbers, we should be able to finish by next week. Right, so let's get on. If you are out there and you are thinking of supporting this channel, I've got a book on Amazon and it's called Building Dreams Across Continents. The subtitle on that book, which I'll put there, is How to Build in Zambia While Living in the Diaspora. I live in the diaspora myself, and I'm right here on site to actually do things and just see things for myself. There's so many things that I'm doing on this site to just make sure that I'm in step with what is going on. But hey, that's not what I'm going to talk about today. So today I want to talk about what I'm doing to ensure the quality of the work is correct. Now, one of the things that I've done is obviously I have come up with what I call Check the Checker. Now, this is a system, one of my small quality control systems that I've put in place, is where I've actually employed an independent contractor or independent tradesman to actually come on site and check the work that's being done. For instance, I have electrician. The electrician is on site, but in order for me to ensure that the work is correct, or the electric works have been installed correctly, I have an electrician, qualified electrician, to actually come on site and check, and he sends me a report. I pay not a huge sum, but I get a report because I can, obviously I've got a camera here. This is a camera that records, that I use to check. So it's up there, and I've got another one in there in plot B. But these things can only see this area. I can't see what's going on inside the buildings. So that's the reason why I use that system, Check the Checker. So somebody does the work, an independent somebody that they don't even know, will come and will produce. What I need from them is basically a report. Then the other thing that I do is, obviously I've got an architect on this site. The architect periodically comes here to check that the dimensions are correct, the block work is correct, the works are being carried out correctly. So he comes and produces a report that I go through with the contractor later on, and we are able to check and say, okay, that needs to be done, that needs to be done. But despite the fact that I am able to do this, they still would be a few things that needs you or somebody to come here physically. Basically, I would say you. I mean, I have come here, and there are a number of things that have actually changed on site. Because it can be done, or maybe because the works were not constructed as per the drawing, or maybe something, the detail wasn't there. But I've come here and I've looked at that and I'm thinking, oh, no, that's not right. Oh, that's not right. We need to do this. Oh, that dimension is not correct. You will probably say to me, but the architect is there, or there's somebody there. Surely they should have seen. But in construction, snags will come out. It's normal thing to see those snags. What's important is how best what you put in place to make sure that they are rectified. So at the moment, what we have done is we've done the block work. They're doing the beam filling, and very soon we'll start the plastering. I've gone round with a guy that will be doing the windows and the door frames to measure, and so what we are looking at is quality, and that's the reason why I'm here. And I'm praying that I may be coming here another day, I don't know, to make sure that I see things are being done accordingly. I will be sharing with you more about, I'm actually installing 2 cameras. So I'll be installing one at the far end there, and another one will be at the far end, because I can't see, because now the buildings are up. I can't see at the far end. So I need to see what's going on there. And I will be sharing what I am doing to make sure that I comply with the cyber laws. So I will be sharing with you what I've done to make sure that this place is secured. And I am sitting with the guys to make sure that they understand what we are trying to do here on site. So if you've learned 1 or 2 things on this video, please remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and if you have any questions, get in touch with me. I will be recording more and more videos about what we are doing, and if you are interested, let me know what we are doing. I mean, yes, I think there's so much stuff that I would want to share with you, but I'll end here. Until next time, let me crack on with some work. Until next time, God bless you. So where are we today? There's a plank that I need to use. Okay. Yenda bwanje nchitwako. Mwasiriza moja. So if I go and check there's nothing like planks in Lusaka or anything like that. Huh? Okay. Then all these containers, you put them in one corner there. Yeah. Okay. Sharp.